Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we will be making crispy and delicious mozzarella sticks. And here are the ingredients. I got here a block of mozzarella cheese, cut into strips, panko breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, and a couple of eggs. We also need some salt and sugar to taste. And now let's begin. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of water into the egg and beat them nicely. Season the breadcrumbs with salt and ground black pepper. You can also add garlic powder if desired and give it a quick stir. Pick up 1 mozzarella sticks and roll it into the flour and coat it evenly. Dip it into the egg wash and roll it around. Then transfer it into the breadcrumbs and roll it around until it's nicely covered. Back into the egg and dip it one more time. And lastly, we're gonna set this into the breadcrumbs one more time and coat it nicely. This will give your mozzarella a good crunchy coating. Then repeat this procedure for the rest of the sticks. Finally, set this aside into your fridge for about 6 hours to overnight. And now we're ready to fry. Heat the oil into the pot and carefully drop each mozzarella sticks just enough so that it will not crowd in the pot. Fry for about a minute or 2 or just until golden brown. Don't worry if cheese is coming out in the side. That's the way it should be and it's perfectly fine. There you have it, our crispy and delicious mozzarella cheese sticks. Serve with marinara or your favorite condiments. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for more videos like this. Until next time.